Hello guys, I'm making this video to talk about an issue that we face when we are working in Microsoft Excel with numbers that include more than 15 digits. I'm going to enter 20 numbers. The first one of this will have only one digit and the last will have 20 digits. And we will see where exactly we will face this problem. So let me start entering my numbers in column A. Column B is calculating the number of digits that I am entering in column A. I'm increasing the number of digits by 1 in every cell. Please pay close attention to the numbers that I'm entering in column A. We need to verify that these numbers are getting reflected correctly. Up to 10 digits, the numbers are fine. I will move now from 11 to 15. Now I have a problem here. As you can see on the screen, the number that I entered with 12 digits, it has converted to a scientific format, and this is not something that we expect, but there is a solution to this problem. I will select all of these 20 cells. I will go to the Home tab. I will go to the number group. All of these numbers are formatted as general. I will click on the drop down. I will format them from general to number. Now, as you can see that the problem has been solved, but this is a temporary solution. All of these numbers are fine, but I am getting 2 decimal at the end of all of these digits. I will remove these extra decimals by using the decrease decimal command. I will click on it twice. The decimals are gone. So let us complete from 13 digits up to 15. As you can see on the screen, up to 15 digits, I'm very much fine. There is no problem. But now you can see something will go wrong. So please keep a close eye. Pay attention with me. As you can see, the last digit 4, 5, 6. See what will happen when I press enter. The 6 is gone. There is no 6. Microsoft Excel is converting the 6 to a 0. That is what will happen if the number is exceeding 15 digits. So let me try with 17, 18, 19 and 20 digits. Seventeen digits. Just pay close attention to 5, 6 and 7. There is no 6. There is no 7. Now just check 6, 7, 8. They are gone. They are converted to zeros. Now I have got 6, 7, 8, 9. They will be converted to zeros as well. Now this is the last number with 20 digits. All of them have been converted to zeros. So this is a very problem that we are talking about. Microsoft Excel is able to handle numbers with up to 15 digits. But when it comes to numbers of more than 15 digits, the extra numbers are converted to zeros, and this is sometimes not something that we expect. So what is the solution to this problem? The solution to this problem is something that I'm going to show to you on sheet 2. I cannot replicate this solution on sheet 1 because we have to solve this problem before we enter the data. Once we have entered our data, we will not be able to solve this problem. So before entering anything on sheet 2, I'm going to select all the 20 cells. I will go to Home tab, number, and I will change the number format from general to text, which is the last item on the list. Let me reselect, and you can see that the text is reflecting as the number format for all of these cells. So let me enter again the numbers in the same format. Up to 10 digits we have no problem. So we will go from 11 to 15. Up to 15 we have no problem. Now we are moving from 16th to the 20th. Please pay close attention. 4, 5, 6 we have is still no problem. So 16 digits, a number with 16 digits is working fine. Nothing is getting truncated, nothing is getting converted to 0. Up to 18 I'm fine. $19 is fine. And 20 is also fine. Finally, so the solution to this problem is that we have to reformat the cells where we want to enter numbers that include more than 15 digits. We have to reformat them from general or from number to text. Once we have done that formatting, then we are very good to go without facing this problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.